In this video, we'll learn how to manually mount a partition on an Ubuntu system. First, open the terminal. We need to find the name of the partition we want to mount. Type this command, sudo fdisk, L. You will see a list of all disks and partitions. Look for the partition you want. It will look something like /dev/sdb1 or /dev/nvme0n1p2. Now, create a folder where the partition will be mounted. For example, sudo mkdir/mnt/mydrive. You can choose a different name instead of mydrive if you want. Next, mount the partition using this command, sudo mount /dev/sdb 1/mnt/mydrive replace /dev/sdb 1 with the actual name of your partition. Also replace /mnt/mydrive if you used a different folder name. If the command works, the partition is now mounted. You can access its files by going to the mount folder. To check if it worked, you can type ls/mnt/mydrive. If you see the files and folders from the partition, everything is okay. That's it. You now know how to manually mount a partition on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.